Hello, thank you for joining me on this task. We're going to look at creating a new style sheet called serif.css that sets all the styles as generic serif fonts. We'll apply this to the style sheet, to our web page, and then we'll view the web page in the browser. Then it says to change the generic settings in the style sheet to a different generic font style. Now the font styles we're starting with is serif. The other generic font styles are sans serif, cursive, fantasy, and monospace. So let's first of all have a look at this line here. I've got this set up. We're going to link it to a style sheet, text CSS, to a file called serif.css. Well, let's get a new file, and let's say H1. And this will be a Cascade style sheet. So we'll put font family, and we just say serif. H2. Let's just copy and paste that. H3, H4, H5, H6, P. Let's save this as serif.css. We've already got one, but let's just exist, so just say yes, we want to replace it. Now, we've got this serif.css cascading style sheet. Let's have a look now at running our let's find it again. We'll open this. And there's the file, and we want to open this with our browser. Okay, now there we have the style H1. Now notice they're all serif fonts, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and paragraph. Now, we were told to change the generic settings, so let's go back to serif, and let's say sans serif. Let's just have a look at the notepad here for a minute. So sans serif, let's just cut and paste that one down. Copy, paste here. Change all of them to sans serif. In the H6, in the paragraph, we'll save that. Okay, even though we've called it serif.css, we've saved it, and let's refresh this, and now it's all sans serif. Now the other ones were cursive. If we change this to cursive, excuse I. And have a look at this, and there we have cursive. Now you can have a look at the others yourself, the mono, the other two, which we've got monospace and fantasy. All right, that's our task. The next task we're going to look at is grouping style definitions. So until we talk on that, Thank you for joining us on this, and stay happy.